Good morning. Today we'll start with the third chapter, that is grammar and language. Here you have to correct the sentences which we make, some common mistakes we are making while we are speaking. So that we are going to learn. Could you repeat again what you just said? Now repeat and again, both are there and we know the meaning is same. So could you repeat what you just said? I do not go swimming because I fear the water. You will cut fear the I am afraid of water. All the children did not eat their food. So cut all the children, none of children ate their food. Did not will not come, ate their food. Is it clear? Tears rolled down, dash my eyes. I have put a slash here, from will come. Tears roll down from my eyes. My teacher gave me slash a good advice. Some also you can write, a piece of good advice also you can write. The place where I have put a slash. Our principal gave a short speech, not small speech, short speech. Can I have some more? No. May I have some more? Because please is written. So may I have some more? She distributed sweet among her friends. So administering among her friends. You will write in the same way as the correction. Next is the correct the meaning of these words. You have to put a tick and correct the answer. Bemuse, glad, silly, puzzle or hurt. So correct meaning is puzzle. Curio, a fruit, stone, curious or unusual object. It is unusual object. You have to correct this thing. Palate, upper part of the mouth, artist paint board, Asian or a type of a bird. It is artist paint board. So you have to just put a tick on the correct meaning. Next is sallow, a yellowish bird, not deep or long. So sallow is yellowish. Tyra, bracelet, rugged country, a long gown or a crown. You have to put a tick on the correct word and that is a crown. Clear? Next is a passage given to you and you have to rewrite only the spellings which are not correct. This is your exercise for your spellings, how much you are correct in your spellings. So when we see this passage, spelling of embarrass is wrong, double S will come. Next, skillful, here double L is given, single L will be there. Maneuver, again this spelling is wrong, the correct I have written in the line. Next is movable, yacht, consistently and practice. So all these spellings are wrong which are given in the lines. I have written correct. So we will write these correct spellings and learn them also, these correct spellings. Clear? Next is homophones. Homophones are those which sound like but they are having different meaning. The sound which is coming, that is same but the meaning is different. So let's see. A drink made up from the juice of grapes, that is wine, W. A climbing plant, that is wine, V. Like we can say money plant. Comparative degree of wise, wiser. Part of a helmet, visor, VIS. Or no, sound is same but meaning is different. Part of a poem, verse. Comparative degree of bad is again worse. See, the sound is same but meaning is totally different. Worn under a shirt, you wear a vest. And a compass direction always show you the direction west, north, south, east, west. Be different, vary. See, your answers are varying. Be careful, vary. So sound is same but meanings are different, so they are known as homophones. You will write in the same way and learn it. Complete these 2 pages, neat and clean it should be. Is it clear? And practice it. That's all for today.